We've been living in this home since '91. We never felt threatened because of weather here until this thing came.
I really didn't know what to do. It's overwhelming.
Master Restoration's mission is pretty simple: to be a servant leader to our community. That's helping people no matter what the cost, no matter what happens, we're there for them. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Master Restoration is a complete loss and restoration service. Regardless of the nature of your loss, our recovery team provides hands-on expertise to ensure the smoothest path back to normal.
We feel more than grateful to Master Restoration.
Master Restoration. We leave you better than before.